Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V10 Vita and I'm gonna show you how to record the time-lapse video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it to the video by tapping on this button from the right. Here we are. Now let's slide to the left to get access to the other video modes at this camera, so the time-lapse mode. When we pick it, we can start recording this kind of video, so let me start by tapping on this button at the center. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the time-lapse should speed up the original video. And now let's stop by tapping again on this button at the center. To see the video, let's move to the left to this one. When we tap on it, we get quick access to the gallery. This is our video, we can play it by tapping on the center now. And as you can see, this is how the time-lapse video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.